Quiet 22s. There's lots of videos on YouTube about quiet 22 rounds and whether what's more accurate than the other and which one's quieter. But to me, there hasn't been one that just has really nailed it for a quiet round for backyard plinking. So my wife for my birthday got me this rifle I have been treasuring over the last 6 months or so. It's a Henry 22. It's just a standard model, but I absolutely love it. And the cool thing about it is it shoots and cycles these quiet rounds flawlessly. In my quest to find a quiet round, I've got a couple different options that I've tried and used. In this video, I'm going to try and shoot them back to back and really determine once and for all which is the quietest. I know from other videos you can check out on YouTube that some of the CCI is going to be more accurate than the Super Colibri that we have. The one I don't have is a regular Colibri round, which, by the way, according to Henry, they don't recommend you shoot any Colibri or conical ball rounds, the CB rounds that CCI makes, whether it's short or long, through the rifle, because they worry it could get stuck in the barrel. But I haven't had any problems with it at all. Shoots fine. Okay, so we're going to start off with the CCI Quiet 22 long rifle. You can check out the box there if it'll focus. But it's a 40 grain, 710 feet per second round. We'll start with it. And then we've got our CB short, CCI, also 710 feet per second. It's a 29 grain, whether you can read it or not. And then the CB long, also 29 grain, 710 feet per second. And then we're going to fire the Super Colibri by Aguila. It's a 22 long rifle. And just for comparison there, that kind of shows you from the left we have the CCI Quiet, the CCI short, CCI long, or CB long, and then the Super Colibri. So we'll load those up and we'll do a round into the dirt just to hear just the sound it comes out of the muzzle. And then we'll put a round into some milk jugs to test, how loud it is fired compared to the target it's hitting. Alright, we're all loaded up, and we're going to try this out. Let's go ahead and chamber the CCI 22 Quiet. Alright, CCI short. CCI long. And then the Super Aguila, or Super Colibri by Aguila. Then we'll put them into some milk jugs. 22 Quiet. CB short. CB long. And then the Super Colibri. Shooting them all back to back like that, it's the first time I've done that. I've tried them at different times just to see which was louder than others. They're all pretty quiet. They're pretty quiet. But surprisingly, since I've been using these CCI 22 long rifle quiets and the Super Colibri, I think they're actually quieter than the CB short and the CB long. Especially the CB short I was kind of disappointed with, because it just seems like, for where I'm shooting from, it has just a tremendous amount of echo. Whereas the Colibri, especially the Super Colibri, is probably the quietest, but the CCI Quiet 22 also seems pretty quiet to me. But you heard the video, so you be the judge.